APC UPS Troubleshooting Guide. Common issues. APC UPS systems are reliable, but can face some common issues. Understanding these issues helps in quick troubleshooting. Below are the common issues you might encounter with your APC UPS. Power problems. Power problems are often seen with APC UPS systems. These can range from no power output to inconsistent power supply. No power output. Ensure the UPS is plugged in. Check the circuit breaker. Inconsistent power supply. Verify the power source. Inspect the power cord for damage. Always use a reliable power source. Test the outlet with another device. Battery failures. Battery failures are another common issue. Batteries have a limited lifespan. Battery not charging. Check connections. Ensure the battery is seated properly. Battery not holding charge. Replace old batteries. Test with a new battery. Regularly check battery health. Replace batteries every 3 to 5 years. Repeat after me. Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.